Hello, boys and girls, ladies and gents. I think that's got us covered again. I was at the tip earlier and found this nice old rusted pocket knife. I don't know if you can see the name on it there. It's Miniaggio Italy. Seems like a sturdy enough knife, but it's just fell out of favour with someone. So we'll go ahead and restore that. And what I was thinking with this is just using sandpaper. We'll take it down from 180. Or what? Down the grade or up the grade? I say down. 240, 320, and 600 for finishing. And we'll get some oil in it, give it a wee sharpen, and hopefully it'll be a nice usable item again. So let's see how we're going to look with it. We'll start with the 240, as I said. Was it 240? 180. 180. Oh, here it goes. As you can see, it's coming up rather not too bad already. So what I'll do is I'll pause a second and I'll do the rest. You obviously don't want to see me just doing everything with it, so bear with me. So that's the first skate over, and as you can see, it's coming up. And along the back. So I'll give it another little buff with the 180, and we'll get another grit into it. Okay, so hang about. So as you can see, folks, it's starting to shine a bit. Just what we're after. And that's me still on the first grit. Looking good. Bear with me. So folks, that's me finished with the, what do you call it, the 180. Coming up lovely, I would say. Better than it was 10 minutes ago. So what I'll do now is I'll move it up the grit to what's next in line. 240. We'll see how that metal shines up. It should shine rather good for the 240, I would imagine. Let's have a wee swatch at it. Coming along. So again, I'll crack on with that, use weight there, and we'll see how it looks. Getting out, getting out. I think we maybe just go into the last grit and get it shined up, because I don't think the wood's going to come up anymore. It seems kind of, it's old and it's got a lot of dirt and grime in it. mean, if I was bleaching it, it would come out, but then it's more rust and on the metal work. And as I say, what to do with just paper, so I think we'll just go ahead. We'll try and give that a final sheen, the metal, and we'll get some oil onto the wood, and we'll give it a wee sharpen and see how it looks. So boys and girls, that's us ready for sharpening. I've oiled the stone here, and we can go ahead and try and get a sharpen on it. Touch oil more of that. Other side. I've not oiled the wood yet, but as you can see, it's getting self-oiled anyway, with the oil from the stone here, but we'll give it an oiling anyway. Oh, and we also brought this for down there. So that's that, hopefully. Let's get some oil into the woodwork here. Oh, doesn't that look marvellous? So what I'm going to do now is take most of the oil off. Why, I hear you say? That's what you do. Do the finishing touches, which is, if you bear with me a second, this is what the wifey uses for her nails, and it's, as you can see, it's got coarse, medium, fine, condition, smooth, buff and shine. So, stick one of these in your bag if you go camping or hiking and you've got a knife. Actually started with the wrong one there. Oh, cut through the paper there. It's a good sign. If it's 4, we'll condition it. Time for smoothing. Verse 6, buff and polish and shine. Folks, overran that last video there. I can only record 6 minutes 50 for some reason, and it doesn't upload. So I went over the time. It seems to be us finished. As you can see, it's a lot nicer looking than it was. I've had to put the big light on, as you'll see the lighting situation is different, but that's it oiled and sharpened and good to go. So, saved from landfill, a nice usable item, and used the diamond sharpener for sharpening the thingy. I don't know what that had before on a standard pocket knife, maybe. What I didn't do, by the way, is some oil in the actual blade itself. Just as well you're here to witness. So there you have it. Nice little pocket knife, saved. And another few years of life left in it. So, hope you enjoyed. I say it wasn't like a job or anything that anyone gave me. It's just an item that was found and saved from landfill. So I'm not going to put a lot of time and effort into it, but hope you enjoyed it anyway. That's another knife to the collection. So do join us again next time. Thanks for watching. Cheery bye.